Hey, ever wondered if your dropshipping dreams could flourish in the Great White North? Specifically, does Spocket actually work in Canada? If you've been contemplating dropshipping into the Canadian market, you've probably heard of Spocket, a platform lauded for its focus on fast shipping and quality products from North American and European suppliers. But is it really the golden ticket for Canadian entrepreneurs? Let's dive deep and find out. For those new to the game, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you don't keep products in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, you purchase the item from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. It's a fantastic low-risk way to start an online business, avoiding the headaches of inventory management and upfront costs. The Canadian e-commerce market is booming, with a digitally savvy population and strong economic indicators, making it a highly attractive target for dropshippers. The demand for online shopping continues to grow, and Canadian consumers are increasingly looking for fast, reliable shipping and high-quality products. This is where a platform like Spocket could potentially shine, as it emphasizes those very aspects. So, back to the big question. Does Spocket work in Canada? The short answer is a resounding yes. Spocket is absolutely ideal for dropshipping in Canada. In fact, it's designed with North American markets, including Canada, firmly in mind. One of Spocket's core strengths is its network of suppliers primarily located in the US and Europe. This is a huge advantage for Canadian dropshippers because it translates directly into faster shipping times and often higher product quality compared to sourcing solely from overseas suppliers, which can sometimes come with extended delivery windows and less consistent product standards. Think about it. When you're dropshipping to Canadian customers, they expect their orders to arrive promptly. Waiting weeks for a product shipped from halfway across the globe can lead to frustrated customers, negative reviews, and ultimately, a struggling business. Spocket mitigates this by connecting you with suppliers who can ship products within Canada or from the US, significantly cutting down on delivery times. This focus on regional suppliers is a game changer for customer satisfaction and repeat business. Beyond just speed, Spocket also prides itself on product quality. Unlike some other platforms that might have a wider but less curated selection, Spocket vets its suppliers to ensure they meet certain quality standards. This means you're more likely to offer products that live up to customer expectations, leading to fewer returns and a stronger brand reputation. For Canadian dropshippers, this translates to building trust with your local customer base, which is crucial for long-term success. Setting up your Canadian dropshipping store with Spocket is also incredibly straightforward. Spocket seamlessly integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and BigCommerce. This means you can easily import products directly into your online store with just a few clicks. The platform also offers automated order fulfillment and real-time inventory updates, which are essential for running an efficient and scalable dropshipping business. Imagine not having to manually track stock levels or process each order. Spocket handles the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your brand. But what about the Canadian nuances? Are there specific types of products that do well? Canadian consumers often appreciate unique, high-quality, and sometimes eco-friendly products. Spocket's curated marketplace often features items that align with these preferences, including artisanal goods, sustainable fashion, and unique home decor. While Spocket does offer a wide range of categories, it's worth noting that the supplier network, while strong in North America and Europe, might not be as expansive as some global platforms if your niche is extremely specific or requires very niche international suppliers. Of course, no platform is without its considerations. While Spocket offers a free trial, access to its full range of premium features and suppliers typically requires a paid subscription. This is an investment, so it's important to factor this into your business plan. However, many dropshippers find that the benefits of faster shipping, higher quality products, and automation often outweigh the subscription cost, leading to higher customer satisfaction and ultimately, greater profitability. When we look at reviews, Spocket generally receives positive feedback from dropshippers for its ease of use, product quality, and the benefits of fast shipping. Many testimonials highlight how Spocket has helped them boost sales and improve customer experience. There are even success stories of Canadian entrepreneurs leveraging Spocket to build thriving online businesses. For instance, A dropshipper based out of Vancouver might be able to source trendy apparel from a supplier in Toronto or an artisan in Montreal, delivering products to customers across Canada in days rather than weeks. This local-first approach, facilitated by Spocket's supplier network, truly sets it apart for the Canadian market. Now, while Spocket is an excellent choice, it's always smart to be aware of alternatives. Platforms like Siege Dropshipping, which has a vast global network and fulfillment centers, could be an option if you need to source from a wider international array of suppliers. Printful is a strong contender if you're looking into print-on-demand products, offering Canadian suppliers for custom items. AliDropship is another option, particularly if you want direct integration with AliExpress for a broader, often lower-cost product range, though it comes with the trade-off of potentially longer shipping times. However, for those prioritizing speed, quality, and a focus on North American consumers, Spocket remains a top-tier choice for Canadian dropshippers. In summary, if you're a Canadian entrepreneur looking to dive into dropshipping, Spocket is not just a viable option, it's a highly recommended one. Its emphasis on local and regional suppliers translates to faster shipping times, happier customers, and a more streamlined business operation. The platform's user-friendly interface and robust integrations make it accessible for beginners, while its curated product selection ensures you can offer quality items that resonate with the Canadian market. So go ahead, explore Spocket, and unlock the potential of dropshipping in Canada. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.